Good morning, YouTube. This is Dr. Sola once again coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria. So we're day 5 into our battery restoration process, a battery recovery actually, and we're not having very much success. This morning we woke up and this battery was at about 3 volts instead of 6, and this one was at about 4.5, 5 volts. All the others were over 6 volts. So we've been getting a low battery alarm every morning, as you can see blinking here. So what are we going to do? Well, we have additional batteries in the office and I'll show them to you in a second. We're going to replace that battery with one we have in the office. But before we do that, we're going to charge those batteries first. When I get there, I'll explain to you exactly what the process is, what the plans are, and then I'll give you an update as to if we were successful or not. When you look at the installation, it looks a bit rough, and there's a reason for that. You'll see there are holes in the walls. The reason is because we experiment with every system we're going to install here. So our system will always look rough because we remove and we put in. So since we started doing our videos, this I think is our 3rd or 4th inverter. And this is our 3rd or 4th charge controller. We had the Frankpussen FM. We've had generic charge controllers, the Schneider. So we'll continue to do this and experiment. And once we're comfortable with the product offerings we're going to give our customers, we'll tidy it up and you wouldn't see the rough look anymore. So let me take you into the office and show you where we're charging the batteries and what we've done. And then we'll tell you. So like I was explaining earlier, we're back in the office. And I have my trusty Schumacher. Our charger is a 10 amp, 2 amp maintainer. So what it does is, for 1 minute, it charges at 10 amps. And then for 3 minutes, it charges at 2 amps. So they said doing that helps desulfation. We'll see, but we use it to recharge batteries. Mostly people who have car batteries, they bring it in here and we use it to charge it for them. So these are our 2 batteries. They were originally in our system and then we removed them because we had issues where they were not properly charging. It wasn't really a bad battery as much as it was a bad cable. But what did we do? We removed them and we let them set, so they've gone completely flat. This particular battery, the 3 cells are filled with water, not electrolyte. When you use the hygrometer and you check the specific gravity, the reading is in the red zone, all the way at the bottom of the red zone, so that's not good. We need it to be either in blue, as for it to be fair, and then in green for it to be really good. So this one was one we also removed where one cell wasn't charging, all the other cells were charging. And then now we've put our trusty desulfate on it. Okay, and we'll see. Hopefully we're able to recover this enough to put it on the system tonight. It was on a smaller charger, this one, all night. And then this morning I'm putting it on a bigger charger and we're trying to force more juice through it. So there we go. Day 4, day 5 into my battery woes. And hopefully this will give us a resolution to our issues with our batteries. So once again, this is Dr. Sola. Please, if you've not subscribed, click on the subscribe link below. If there is any subject you want us to talk about in our next video, please put it in the comment section. I'll be very happy to shoot a video addressing those comments or those questions. Thank you for watching. Once again, this is Dr. Sola coming to you from AWPS Renewable Energy in Lagos, Nigeria.